Kill, 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 kill. You know when it comes to this shit, I'm a killer, wanna thriller. Hope you fucking feel it. I've been chillin', smoking on some of that good. Some of that shit you wish you were. Just because, you know I get it like that, bro. Hey, I ain't no blood. Living in this life, gotta stay tough. Even through the struggle, you got to remain humble. Never let them knock your cookies to crumble. Come at them like movie man Rambo. Unlimited ammo. I'm sending damage. I'm slow replenished. Do this hard shit to the finish. You know, I live this life, I live it like I'ma do what I gotta survive. Got my son to take care of, I'm on this hill like a thrive. I've gotta take it all, boy, never take a fall, boy. Been on this shit since like the crawl, boy. What's up with y'all? What's up with y'all? I'm bound to ball and crush you all. You know I got it, you know the deal. About the product, designer for real. You know I'm gonna run this shit like the drill. How you feel? I will. I'm like the man to stay. After a while, I'm bound to kill.